Welcome back. You're here because you've got questions about influencer marketing. Lucky for you, this video is going to answer that question in less than 2 minutes so you can get back to helping your brand take over the internet. Let's get right into it. How can I work with social media influencers without breaking the bank? This is a question we get asked almost every single day, and the answer is really simple. Here's what you need to know. Number one, seek out micro influencers. When you are first starting out, finding micro influencers that have that same audience you want to attract is a great avenue of opportunity. These people don't have as many brand deals, they're more open to collaboration, and you can negotiate creative terms with them. Sometimes you can even combine cash with product, which is an easy way to spend less upfront and create interest with influencers. Number two, incentivize performance. Larger influencers tend to have established processes and prices, making it harder for brands with tighter budgets to get in the door. That being said, there are creative ways to work with larger influencers. For instance, commission-based performance can open the door for an influencer to make content for a lower rate, knowing that if it performs well, they will get paid based on that performance. This will help create incentive between your brand and the influencer, which can lead to success and more partnerships. Number three, test out a variety of influencers. We always encourage brands to explore a variety of influencers that differ in size and niche, as you never know who might be the right fit for you. A combination of nano, micro, and macro influencers will give you a solid understanding of what resonates with your audience and what you can afford moving forward. While each one of these influencers will come at a different cost, the investment is worth it as it will inform what works best for your brand and who you should look into in the future. That's all for now. Don't forget, drop a like and share this with your marketing team. And if you're ready to partner with a team of experts, hit the link in the description to set up a call with our crew. This is Bryn, and I'll see you next time.